Today I'm sharing with you a very beautiful story of attracting back the love, and this story will definitely inspire all of you. If you are going through some relationship issues or if you are attracting your love back, then this video will really inspire you. Or even if you are manifesting something else, this video will prove how powerfully the law of attraction can work for you. Are you ready to listen this story and get inspired? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And today I have a beautiful story for you, and all of you are requesting more stories to share, so here is one more. Before sharing the story, if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. Here is a beautiful story from Sheetal, and I believe it will inspire all of you. So here is what Sheetal has wrote. Hi awesome AJ, thank you. I'm really extremely and immensely grateful to that day when I found you. You are an angel in my life. As you already know that I was practicing the law of attraction practices for a month. I enrolled for your Transform Your Destiny program, 28 Magical Practices program and Heal Your Heart meditation program. And my focus area was attracting my love back. And to my surprise, it really worked. Not only he called me after 1 month and 4 days, but he also met me. Before meeting him, I was little nervous. But thanks to your programs and law of attraction, when we met, he could see the immense amount of positivity in me. And with an immense amount of happiness and joy and gratitude, I want to tell you that we are together now. So happy for her. We were separated for almost a year, and for last 6 months I was trying to reach him out but didn't have any success. But with the law of attraction practices and your techniques and programs, it just happened magically. From now on, I have started believing in the magic, and it could happen with any one of us. Yes, that's why she has shared her story, because she wanted everyone to know that the magic can happen with anyone. Anyone can heal his or her relationships. Anyone can manifest whatever you desire. And I'll explain you how she did it. But with the law of attraction practices and your techniques and programs, it just happened magically. For now on, I have started believing in the magic. And it could happen with any one of us. I am going to use the magical practices for other parts of my life too, like career, other relationships, etc. I am really thankful to you, AJ, from the deepest of my heart. Keep spreading this love, joy and happiness, and I will keep seeking guidance from you. You are the best mentor I can imagine for. Thank you. Regard, Sheetal. What a beautiful story. Many congratulations to Sheetal and her love of her life, so that they should stay together and get married and have a truly joyful and magical life. Now here is the main thing about this story that I want all of you to understand is Sheetal was struggling in this relationship. They were not talking for a year or so, and she was trying to reach him for 6 months, but nothing was working. At that point, she found our channel videos on YouTube and become a part of our awesome tribe, and then she joined our program Heal Your Heart first, and then she wrote in the program that she is going through all these challenges. And after reading her stories, I realized that she is having lot of negativities, and because of that negativity the relationship was broken. Always remember, if you are struggling in your relationship, it's because there are negativities that you are carrying within you. Then I suggested her to join the 28 Magical Practice program, but she took bigger inspired action and joined the 28 Magical Practice program, and at the same time Transform Your Destiny program. And both the program are immensely powerful, and when she start applying both the program along with Heal Your Heart, she could able to remove all the fears, doubts and negativities. And then she focused on connecting back with her love, and they get in contact. But still when she get contacted, though she hasn't mentioned it in the story, She shared with me in the program that when she contacted back with her boyfriend or with her love, initially he was not ready to meet. But when he was ready to meet her, he said this will be the last meeting and don't think that our relationship is going to work. And she was that scared for that. She was very nervous and she wrote in the program comment section that AJ, what should I do? And I said, you are no more the old person. He is not ready to take the relationship forward because he knows your old you, the one who is full of negativity, the one who is full of anger and frustration. He is yet to see this new Sheetal who is full of positivity and happiness. When he will see you, he will know how beautiful you are, how magical you are, and how you have changed. And he will love you more than ever before. And that's when she took the leap of faith. She went to meet him. Though she has still had some nervousness, but when they met, her boyfriend, her love gets surprised, and that's what she has mentioned, that he became so happy seeing her as such a positive and happy and joyful person, and he even loved her much more than ever before. And their relationship get healed immediately and they start having a joyful relationship. My friend, this is the key. This is the key. If your relationship is not working, it's not because of anything else but the negativities that you are carrying within you. Heal yourself and everything will change, like the way Sheetal has transformed. And even if her boyfriend was telling that he is not going to be in a relationship, but when he met her, he realized how positively she has transformed, and her positivity became the magnet for him. This is the core. This is one thing I want all of you, especially those of you who are healing your relationship, to understand that change yourself first. Heal yourself first, transform yourself first, and then see the magic. And if you are not able to do it by yourself, you can take inspired action like Sheetal and join our powerful program, Heal Your Heart, 28 Magical Practice program. And if you like, even you can join the higher level of program, Transform Your Destiny. At least you should join Heal Your Heart and 28 Magical Practice program, because these two programs will help you remove all negativities, pain and suffering and anger that you are carrying. It will transform you beautifully. When you become really positive, your relationship will get healed. Even the person who is thinking that or saying that he or she is not going to be with you, when they meet you, they will get amazed, and with your positivity, your relationship will get truly magical. You deserve to have that magical relationship and a magical life. Now, if this video and the story of Sheetal has inspired you, like it, share it with someone you love, comment, and send your love and blessings to Sheetal, because that love and blessings will come back to you in multifold. So thank you for being a part of our awesome tribe. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, be a part of our awesome tribe. And you should start your journey with 28 Magical Practice program and Heal Your Heart meditation program. Thank you.